Three-quarter crowns are a type of partial coverage crowns. It is indicated for metallic indirect restoration when ceramic is not a restoration of choice. Three-quarter of the tooth area is reduced while 25% is left. The spared part is the buccal surface of the tooth to keep the buccal area clean while smiling to reduce the metal show. The initial steps of the for the three-quarter crown prep are same as that of the onlay. First we make the class 1, then convert it into the class 2, then into the inlay, MOD inlay, which is converted into onlay. That onlay is then converted into the three-quarter crown by preparing all the lingual cusps and the walls, while the buccal surface is intact with the onlay type preparation on the buccal cusps. Margin should be even all around. You can see the margin here. It is even all around. We make opposite walls of the prepared surfaces parallel and slightly they are convergent towards the occlusal. They are parallel to each other and they are just slightly convergent towards the occlusal, so it makes sure the proper seating of the partial coverage crown. This wall should be parallel, making the obtuse angle with the margin. It means this wall should be divergent. We add few retentive features in these kind of crown preps. Like we give the shoulder bevels on the buccal wall of the buccal cusps. Same we will give the occlusal bevels on the occlusal side, on the occlusal surface. These occlusal bevels are called trusses. Then another retentive feature is the vertical groove, which is given on the axial walls, which are directing diagonally, like from mesiofacial towards the distolingual and distofacial towards the mesolingual. These should be continuous with the trusses and it gives the marginal strength to the restorations. Here you can see the marker from in yellow color, which is directing from distofacial towards the mesolingual. These are few preps, the final preps on the lower molar. You can appreciate all the features, the trusses, the vertical grooves, as well as the margins. These are the margins. The walls are made convergent. The trusses are given. The vertical grooves are given. Another prep which is done on the upper molar. Here again the buccal surface are remain intact while the lingual surface is prepared. This is done on the upper premolar, where the buccal surface, the buccal wall and the cusp is remain intact, while the lingual wall and surface are cusps are prepared.